Hello my lovely fibre friends, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are on day 7 of the Advent, and I have actually, I'll show you the shawl what I've done so far and then you can see, she says when she finds the, so I have done day 1, day 2, and I'm not sure if you can see, I've just literally started day 3, so I'm only 4 days behind. But hey ho, so yeah, it's growing, isn't it? Really nice to knit with, beautiful. So that is day 7 and that's day 3's yarn. So we're on to day 7, guys. Can you believe it? Time is marching on. I've still not, let's see. Oh, it's a purple one. And it's a little house with snow. Oh. So let's see what we've got today. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think? Let's see. Ooh. Oh, look. The orange. So I haven't done orange yesterday's, so that goes on to there. So this was yesterday's, the 6th, and this is today's. So it might lead on to some pinks tomorrow. You never know. So that is today's skein. Little Hank. So it is nice to knit with, guys, it really is. So put that in the right bag so don't forget. don't want to mix them up, guys. So yeah, so as I said, I've been doing the shawl, and actually Reggie said I can get a crocheted one and a knitted one, but we'll see. So that's what's left of number 1, day 1. I didn't use all of it. And that's what's left of number 2, day 2. So I'm on day 3, and then day 4 is the yellow. So I've got things to do today, so I'm not sure whether I'll get any knitting done today. I've got other things that I need to do. But anyway, so that is day 7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'm kind of being really good and not sneaky peeking, because it'll spoil the surprise for me as well as for you. And I'm going to love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe. It is blowing a hoolie out there today, really windy. I've come back from my dad's, and the motorway was awful, so I'm lucky that I can come off the motorway and cut through the back roads home, which is what I did, because the wind on the motorway and with all them big lorries, it was rather scary. So I come home, but I'm home safe and sound. My dad is well, and I'll catch you all again real soon, guys. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow.